Hello, my name is Sherlyn Sham, and I am a senior solution consultant at ServiceNow with a specialization in strategic portfolio management. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief overview of the new functionalities of the Portfolio Planning Workspace in the latest Utah release of the ServiceNow platform. This video should be seen as a companion to our video on the new functionalities of the Strategic Planning Workspace. In that video, we have a comprehensive demo of all the new features across both the Strategic Planning Workspace and the Portfolio Planning Workspace. This presentation may contain forward-looking statements that reflect the current beliefs of ServiceNow and are based on information currently available to us as of the date of this presentation. This forward-looking statement should not be relied upon for making purchasing decisions. With the Utah release, we would first like to highlight a major name change that will allow customers to more easily find and install this product in a single package. Additionally, the product names better match standard market naming. For customers with an SPM standard license, Alignment Planner Workspace standard is now the Portfolio Planning Workspace. Portfolio planning is best for customers using traditional waterfall planning methodologies and who are satisfied with out-of-the-box functionality. For customers with an SPM professional license, Alignment Planner Workspace Pro is now known as Strategic Planning Workspace. Strategic planning is best suited for customers using agile or hybrid methodologies, or who would like increased flexibility and configuration options. So as you can see, everything that is included in portfolio planning is also included in strategic planning. There is essentially a subset of features from strategic planning that apply only to the portfolio planning workspace. Now, for customers who need just a basic planning solution to prioritize and visualize their work, Portfolio Planning Workspace provides the capabilities to support traditional portfolio planning for demand and project management. In addition to UX enhancements, two major new features have been released to empower portfolio planners to more efficiently manage their work: the Project Portfolio Lens and the Hierarchy View on the Prioritization tab. Let's take a closer look at these two features. The first new feature is the Project Portfolio Lens, which is designed to enable customers who are already using portfolio tables to take advantage of strategic portfolio management's planning capabilities with the lens functionality. By default, this lens groups planning items like demands and projects into portfolios. Lens and portfolio planning indicate a specific perspective by which you can plan or prioritize your work. For example, depending on your role, you can plan work from the perspective of a delivery organization, strategic investment, product, or others. This lets your portfolio or product managers flexibly switch planning perspectives to prioritize, roadmap, and view the alignment of work using personalized portfolio plans. In this way, the Project Portfolio Lens can help you enable focused planning of work in the desired perspective, prioritize the right work, and improve alignment with business strategy, as well as reduce time spent on aligning execution teams to the right work. Returning back to this comparison overview slide, we can see that portfolio planning provides two predefined lenses to get you started with building your portfolio plans: the organization lens and the project portfolio lens. The project portfolio lens can be used by a portfolio manager to plan in the perspective of portfolios, while the organization lens can be used by a department head to plan in the perspective of a department. Next, let's look at the second new feature of the Portfolio Planning Workspace, which is the Hierarchy View in Prioritization. After you create lenses in the Portfolio Planning Workspace, you can use those lenses to view all relevant work on the Prioritization tab. On your planning board and under the Prioritization tab, you have two different views available to you: the List View, which is what you're used to seeing, and the Hierarchy View, which you see here. You can select the view you want to see using the buttons in the upper right corner. You are also able to configure which columns you would like to have displayed in the grid using the cog button on the right. You will have the option to add any columns related to planning items. You will also have the option to display either the grid or the timeline view. In this slide, both views are shown. The bars in the timeline view are color-coded based on planning state and can be dragged and dropped accordingly if you need to change the start or the end dates of each project. To wrap up, the Portfolio Planning Workspace is an easy-to-use and comprehensive tool for customers using traditional work planning to manage their projects and demands. The two enhancements in this Utah release continue to improve the product and ensure that portfolio planners can access the tools they need to effectively track and execute their plans.